Greetings, entrepreneurs and egg enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of egg tray production in Africa. With eggs being a dietary staple and a valuable commodity across the continent, there's immense potential for entrepreneurs to tap into this market and build a successful business. Join us as we uncover the machinery, techniques, and marketing strategies needed to launch a thriving egg tray production line. Let's crack into it. We are here to help you start a business in Africa. Contact me for more information. Check my WhatsApp number in this video description below. Let's start by exploring the machinery and equipment required to kickstart your egg tray production line. From raw materials to finished products, here's what you need to know. Automatic egg tray making machine. At the heart of your operation lies the automatic egg tray making machine, which is responsible for forming pulp into sturdy egg trays. Invest in a high-quality machine with a large production capacity and automated features for efficient and cost-effective production. Look for models that offer flexibility in tray sizes and shapes to meet the diverse needs of your customers. Pulp molding equipment. In addition to the egg tray making machine, you'll need pulp molding equipment to prepare the raw material, typically recycled paper pulp, for molding into trays. This equipment includes pulpers, molding machines, and drying systems, all of which play a crucial role in the production process. Choose equipment that offers consistent performance, energy efficiency, and ease of operation to maximize productivity and minimize costs. Packaging machinery. Once your egg trays are produced, it's essential to package them efficiently for distribution. Packaging machinery such as stackers, shrink-wrap machines, and palletizers ensure that your products are securely packaged and ready for transport. Look for equipment that offers fast processing speeds, precise stacking capabilities, and compatibility with various packaging materials to streamline your packaging operations. Now that we've covered the machinery, let's dive into the marketing strategies that will help you promote your egg tray production business and attract customers. Targeted advertising. Identify your target market, including egg producers, poultry farms, and packaging companies, and develop targeted advertising campaigns to reach them. Utilize online channels such as social media, industry forums, and business directories to showcase your products and generate leads. Highlight the benefits of your egg trays, such as durability, eco-friendliness, and cost-effectiveness, to appeal to potential customers. Build relationships with key players in the egg industry, including egg producers, distributors, and retailers. Attend industry events, trade shows, and networking functions to connect with potential customers and explore collaboration opportunities. Offer samples of your egg trays and demonstrate their quality and functionality to attract interest and build trust with prospective clients. Differentiate your egg tray production business by offering customization and personalization options to your customers. Allow them to choose tray sizes, colors, and branding elements to suit their specific needs and preferences. By providing tailored solutions and exceptional customer service, you can establish yourself as a trusted partner in the egg packaging industry and gain a competitive edge in the market. Let's start by exploring the essential machinery and equipment required to kickstart your egg tray production line. From raw materials to finished products, here's what you'll need to set up your operation. Automatic egg tray making machine. This powerhouse machine is the heart of your production line, responsible for molding recycled paper pulp into sturdy egg trays. When choosing an egg tray making machine, opt for an automatic model with a high production capacity and energy-efficient operation. Look for features such as adjustable molds, precise temperature control, and quick mold-changing systems to optimize productivity and minimize downtime. Pulp molding equipment. Complementing your egg tray making machine, pulp molding equipment is essential for preparing the raw material, typically recycled paper pulp, for the molding process. This equipment includes pulpers, pulp molding machines, and drying systems. Select equipment that offers efficient pulping, precise molding, and thorough drying to ensure the quality and consistency of your egg trays. Packaging machinery. Once your egg trays are produced, packaging machinery becomes crucial for efficient storage, transportation, and distribution. Invest in stackers, shrink-wrap machines, and palletizers to streamline your packaging process. Look for equipment that offers versatility, reliability, and compatibility with various packaging materials to meet the diverse needs of your customers and distribute channels. Now that we've covered the machinery, let's dive into the marketing strategies that will help you promote your egg tray production business and attract customers. Targeted advertising. Identify your target market segments, including egg producers, poultry farms, supermarkets, and packaging companies. Networking and partnerships. Build strategic relationships with key stakeholders in the egg industry, including egg producers, distributors, and retailers. Attend industry events, trade shows, and networking functions to establish connections and explore collaboration opportunities. Offer product samples, customize solutions, and promotional deals to incentivize partnerships and generate sales leads. Sustainable packaging solutions. Position your paper egg trays as environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional plastic or foam packaging options. Highlight the eco-friendly benefits of your trays, such as biodegradability, recyclability, and reduced environmental impact. Partner with eco-conscious brands and organizations to amplify your message and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. In addition to traditional marketing approaches, consider leveraging innovative technology strategies to enhance your competitiveness in the African market. Mobile commerce. With the widespread use of mobile devices in Africa, explore opportunities for mobile commerce platforms and apps to facilitate online sales and transactions. Develop user-friendly mobile apps and mobile-optimized websites that enable customers to browse, purchase, and track orders conveniently from their smartphones. Supply chain optimization. Implement advanced supply chain management systems and logistics technologies to streamline production processes, optimize inventory management, and reduce lead times. Explore options for predictive analytics, real-time monitoring, and automated inventory replenishment to improve operational efficiency and responsiveness to customer demands. Digital payment solutions. Address the challenges of cash-based transactions in Africa by offering digital payment solutions and mobile money services. Partner with established payment providers and fintech companies to integrate secure, convenient payment options into your e-commerce platforms and retail channels. By embracing digital payments, you can expand your customer base and facilitate seamless transactions in diverse market segments. And there you have it, folks. With the right machinery, production techniques, and marketing strategies, you're well equipped to launch a successful egg tray production line business in Africa. By providing high-quality, eco-friendly egg trays to meet the growing demand for egg packaging, you're not just building a business, you're contributing to sustainability and efficiency in the egg industry. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, may your trays be filled with eggs and your business be filled with success. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. From Invest in Africa Now.